Consider the following reaction: unbalanced zinc plus hot concentrated H2SO4 giving G, R and X 3 products. Then zinc plus concentrated NaOH giving 2 products T plus Q. Then G on treating with H2S plus aqueous ammonia gives Z, precipitate X plus Y. Now choose the correct options. R is a V-shaped molecule. This R is. Z is dirty white in color. This Z. Bond order of Q is 1 in its ground state. Bond order of Q. The oxidation state of Zn in T is +1. That is, in T is +1. So answer is A, B and C. These are the following reactions. Zinc on treatment with H2SO4 results in ZnSO4 plus SO2 plus H2O. Zinc on treatment with concentrated NaOH gives Na2ZnO2 plus hydrogen gas. ZnSO4 on treating with hydrogen sulfide plus aqueous ammonia gives ZnS as precipitate plus NH4 2SO4 ammonium sulfate, ammonia sulfate plus water. So SO2 is V-shaped, this is correct. ZnS zinc sulfide is dirty white in color, correct. Bond order of H2 is 1. This is also correct. And oxidation of Zn in Na2ZnO2 is +2. So this statement was wrong in the given question. So A, B and C are the correct statements. So this is the answer.